Propane, 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 propane. A little funny story about this box right here. My grandfather, my papaw, and myself, and my sister when she was, younger. I think I was like, what year was this? It was like 2000 and, I don't know, 10, 9, somewhere in there, 8. Anyway, my papaw gave me this box for my hunting and fishing stuff. And I never really used it. Like, I never used it. We just painted it up and then did some camouflage on it. And it just so happened to be a perfect fit behind the mattress here. So this is his new home for good versus being in the garage holding stuff I haven't seen for 10 years. It's going to sit right in that little cubby hole and then pull it out when I need it and then put it back when we're done. Alrighty, so we got everything we need for tonight. We got all of our camping stuff, our cooking stuff. We got propane, we got knives, we got forks, spoons, plates, paper towels. We're charging a power bank. Well, I'm charging a power bank. I'm gonna put some more air in this air mattress because it seems to kind of deflate a little bit. I'm gonna go in the house and try to scrape together a couple pillows, some blankets, and a bed sheet just to cover it for tonight. I think it's gonna be like 73, 74 degrees around sunset. It's going to drop to about 65, 60 somewhere in there tonight, which will be pretty comfortable to sleep in. I keep the windows cracked, let some air flow through, keep the bugs out. That is a big thing. I'm going to go on my phone here in a little bit and try to find a place to, I guess, boondock it out. I don't want to camp in any places that are going to be questionable for security reasons. Frig off me, bro. I'm trying to think. I should get a cooler. Get this cooler cleaned out. Put some ice in it, some drinks, and my meat for dinner, and throw it in the passenger seat because I wanted it to be right in this area, but it's gonna be too fat. I don't know. I can figure something. Actually, I'll probably put it back here. It's probably the best idea. All right. Welcome to the first night of truck camping. We're gonna trial and error this pretty hard tonight. Better? That's a lot better right there. So hopefully you can see what I got going on here. We got ourselves a full spread here. I guess you guys can see everything here. Nice rusty cooking top. Put the lid on that for now. We got some Ben's original Spanish style ready rice. We got some Denver boneless beef tender steak. Yeah, say it 10 times fast. We got all this. Trash aside. We got our seasoning here. We got our ketchup. So let's cook some. So just as an appetizer, we'll throw a couple hot dogs on here. By a couple, I mean 3. Pick up your trash, pick up your mess. Don't leave nothing behind. Don't be an arrogant a-hole. Don't be doing anything stupid. Just respect the parking lot, respect the property. Some places are very no-go on the parking at nighttime. But there's sign behind me. please do not leave vehicles unattended overnight. I'm going to be attending my vehicle, so loophole maybe. So for seasonings, I just got garlic salt and then ground black pepper. To me, I'm using garlic anyways, so I might as well get garlic salt, a little bit cheaper than buying salt and garlic and all that stuff. Bony apple feet. Is a well done steak there, boys. I'm going to assume that's not a very good cut of meat. It's very, very tasty, I will say that. But seems to be very stringy or tendoned. You know, that little silver skin in between sections of muscle and tissue. I can't stand that. I can't stand it at all. But still pretty good. I think that's done enough. That's busting. I made a big mistake though. I forgot to bring a chair. You want to see thick boy status. I'll show you a thick boy. Take your honey bun, sit the off-brand side down, and put on your warm grill. Not on, but it's warm. Let it marinate. I'm gonna really send you for a loop. Ready? These are the poor man pecan swirls. Take one of them bad boys out of there. Here's the secret. Smash your pecan swirl down. Get your honey bun all toasted up, warmed up. Not all hot and melty. And then you take that. Bony apple teat. It's like a diabetes burger. So good. Well, 4 tiles. I guess there's one lesson right there. Can't cook on foam surfaces. I'll just take it off anyway. I wasn't really that impressed with it or pleased with it back here on the tailgate. I'll probably just get a piece of plywood and smooth it all out and, you know, use that as a good cooking surface, cutting surface, etc. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaned up here and then start getting settled in for the night. Well, before I slip in the back, I want to make sure all attended vehicles aren't nearby. I don't have much privacy because I forgot to put curtains up in the back of the truck. So once this guy leaves, he's been here for like a half hour. Once this guy leaves, been here for 15 minutes. Once they leave, I'll take a whiz and then crawl in the back. And if camera guy Cody's watching this, he knows exactly where I'm at. Please don't come mess with me tonight. Alrighty, well, got my fan on, and it's time to turn the lights out. Good night, see you guys in the morning. Oh, wait. Yeah. Some green, do some red. Oh. Got the doors locked. Got my protection right here. So everything should be fine, but we shall see what it do. So good night. See you guys in the morning. fudge, bro. Good morning. Good morning. Well, it's a little chilly in here, but it's not too bad. I gotta pee really bad. Good morning, friends. Good morning. Oh, man. I'm actually feeling pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. I may look a little rough, but I'm feeling pretty good. We're gonna make breakfast. Let me put you over here a little better. This is crazy to me. We're gonna make breakfast this morning. I just got up about 20 minutes ago. Laid in the bed for a little bit. Walked in the station here and relieved myself. My bladder was getting pretty full. The damage is already done here, so I might as well just go ahead and finish it off. That spit some fire out pretty quick, didn't it? That feels good. Bony apple feet. A little bit chewy, a little bit, but has really good flavor. Well, there's your video. I'm gonna get this ate, chill out for a few minutes, hit the road, head home. If you guys like this video, be sure to like it, comment on it, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are interested in see how this big old pile here got put together, let me know. I'm hoping to do more of these videos over the next few weeks and months. Got a few more hunting trips planned in Maryland and stuff, so it'd be nice to get down there and use this a good bit. So I'm gonna finish my steak, finish my Red Bull, a little pinch of Copenhagen, and then we're gonna keep on heading home. All right, guys, that's this week's episode of Thick and Rugged Outdoors, and that's my truck camper. I used it last night. It's pretty cool. So I'll see you guys next week. You didn't think I was going to end the video without heating up some pecan swirls, did ya? Rule number 1, leave it exactly how you found it. No mess, no trash, no nothing. Leave everything exactly how you found it. They can't get mad at you for it.